And as the Delhi deadlock continues, Thawar Chand Gehlot, Nitin Gadkari, Harshvardhan, Navjot Singh Sidhu, Vijay Goyal and MLAs from Delhi arrive for the legislative party meet of the BJP. The BJP has made it clear in the meanwhile that it will not be approaching the Aam Aadmi Party, saying it is willing to sit in the opposition. Alright, so the crucial BJP legislature meeting has started with people arriving for that all-important meeting where they will not just be electing their leader but will also be deciding on the future course of action. They have 32 MLAs as of now, just 4 short of a majority to form a government in Delhi. However, at the moment, the BJP is shying away from going to the LG to stake claim as the single largest party because they are not clear on how they will manage 4 more MLAs. At the moment, they have ruled out any truck with the Aam Aadmi Party. This despite Prashant Bhushan, a leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, indicating that an issue-based support could be given by the party to the BJP. However, the Aam Aadmi Party itself has also distanced itself from the statement of Prashant Bhushan. Aditi Anant Narayanan is now joining us with more details. Aditi, the BJP goes on insisting that they are willing to sit in the opposition, but the irony of the situation is that they have the largest number at this point, even if they are short of that halfway mark.
Definitely, Maha, at this point of time, they have 32 seats, which means that they are 4 short of the magic number. But the BJP at this point of time is very adamant. They're standing absolutely clear that they're ready to sit in the opposition, but they are not ready to indulge in any sort of horse trading. They're not ready to indulge in any sort of manipulative practices. In fact, I spoke to the BJP sources from inside on whether if the Aam Aadmi Party actually takes it as an official stand to extend support, issue-based support to the BJP. But the BJP is saying that even in such a scenario, even if the Aam Aadmi Party extends the support to them, they are not ready to take the support from the Aam Aadmi Party. They are still waiting to see whether there is any natural majority that they can avail at this point of time. They have time till the 17th of this month, but it's highly unlikely that they will get any natural support at this point of time.
Okay.
They have to indulge in horse trading. They have to cut into the other parties, which the BJP is not willing to do. They're ready to sit in the opposition, or they're ready to wait for what the Lieutenant Governor actually tells them to do. But either which ways, the BJP has decided that they are not going to form the government because they don't have the exact numbers at this time, Maha.
Aditi, what about repolls? If they are forced into that, is the BJP confident of performing better then?
Maha, the BJP at this point of time is okay with the fact that there will be a repolls. In fact, some of the sources were also saying that repolls might work for them because at that point of time, the repolls will happen sometime before the Lok Sabha elections, when Narendra Modi's personality and Narendra Modi's wave will be at its peak. So the BJP somewhere might also consider that probably the Narendra Modi tsunami at that point of time will help them to even win Delhi elections. But they are trading extremely carefully. They do not want anything in Delhi to hamper what happens to Narendra Modi's image. They do not want to take any decision that could hamper the possibility of winning at the centre. So they are going slow. They have adopted the wait and watch policy. In case of repolls, they will have a 6 months to see what they could do. But definitely they will use Narendra Modi as a key person to help them pass through the Delhi elections in case of repolls.
All right, Aditi Anant Narayanan, many thanks for getting us those details.